Bye, just take care. Ayun, nakita ko na si Edsa, oh. Edsa Revolution.
Sa Cubao. Wow.
Cubao.
Cubao?
Yeah.
Cubao?
Oh, Cubao.
Where is it? The first time I came to Cubao.
Hindi, ay may pagpabalik.
Morning.
Australian time.
She works. So, are you telling me that there was a donut that was yummier than Krispy Kreme?
Can you believe this? I'm still alive.
And this one we have a lot back home. We call that one bao-bao. Yeah.
Ha? Hindi mo naman kasi pinadala sa cooler. Akin na. Akin na.
Oy, may for sale guys, oh. Inquire inside. Oy. Oh. Maria naligo. Tasa gini ni mo, tako ni mo ulo do. Hi, ha. Where are we? We are at the McDonald's. So this is the this is the Tok-Tok of Philippines. Decided to have a fun family visit because we needed some change for a bit. So that's why we're here eating takeout with the pricing. I'm going to have shopping in the transport. So cute, guys. Yes, and the ceiling is like golden inch. Maria's head is ready. Knows the pace now. And his face. We have a very cool driver. Yeah, another right. Noise. Your first time to go to Kmart. Yeah. Magkano, ma'am? Wow, guys, this is my first time of this Thai food restaurant. So, 4 hours, 10:30 to 11 a.m. Hi!
Magaling naman yung look mo.
Bakit ang gagawin lang?
Okay, smile tayo. Kuya, insects. Para walang laka.
Parang nasa temple.
Ay, sarapan yung luto niya. Fresh na fresh from Bangkok ng dalawang to. Yung ano di ba pinagawa na dito na?
You happen you cannot remember me. That was not good.
Baka nahiya lang siya.
But you really can't remember.
Kahit yung ano,
I was eating. Come here, I'll teach you how to speak Thai from what's in there. You need to make sure you say it correctly. Okay? Did you burn yourself?
mainit pa naman yan.
Ano yan?
Future cashier namin. At sabi nga nila, ako naman yung mainit na pa. May cashier na sila. Ay, binigay tayo souvenirs. Keychains. Yan.
Free to, ma'am?
Hindi yung free.
Come here.
10 baht?
5 pesos.
Ba't po naman ito?
Kaya ang tawag na. Pangalan ang tingin niya, Ethan. Ethan.
Talaga eh. Say your name. Kunin mo yung likat ay hindi pala very good.
Hindi ka.
Get the proper
Kaya pag
expo.
nag-voice recording ka, huwag ganun kahina.
See, I told her that. I don't like to listen to her video because of the...
Parang nakikipag-stress.
Yeah.
Annoying na siya.
Yeah. Tingnan sa video. Lalagyan na yung ano mo na lang. Check mo.
Parang nang-aakit ang boses. Okay.
Labaw pa ni tok-tok. Ha? Labaw pa ni tok-tok sa tayo. I like this one. We have this back home. Ang yan eh.